Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. In this video I will be showing you how I do my niqab. This is something that I do every single day, and I've actually done this niqab tutorial back in 2015 as well, but back then I used a pashmina shawl to show you how I do my niqab, and it wasn't quite neat, so I wanted to do an updated version for you guys. In this video I'm using a chiffon hijab that you can get from anywhere easily. If you are trying out this niqab style, then make sure that the hijab that you get is not too small. It should be long. I won't be wearing any hijab cap in this niqab tutorial, but if you want to wear it, go for it. Definitely it will give you a neat look. The reason why I don't wear it is because it gives me headache if I wear it for more than an hour. Instead what I do is I put on bobby pins. Currently I'm wearing like 4 or 5 bobby pins on my head just to make sure that no hair comes out. So that's something that you can do if hijab caps give you headache as well. For this niqab style, you need one hijab, a safety pin, and a couple of hijab pins. The first step is to fold 1/3 of your hijab like this. Then place the folded side on your head and tie the hijab under your chin. You can use a safety pin or a hijab magnet to tie the hijab. I'm using a safety pin here. Make sure that it's neat and tight and not showing your hair. The next step is to take the longer side of the hijab and wrap it around your head. Make sure that it's still folded. Take the hijab all the way to the other side and bring it all to the front. The next step is to take the inner side of the hijab from the middle like this to make it double layered and cover your face with it. The reason behind making it double layered is to make sure that it's not see-through. Now place the hijab on the right side of your face and make a 90-degree angle here and secure it with a straight hijab pin. After covering your face, add another pin to the left side of your face. Make sure both the pins are vertically added and your hijab is tight. Set the hijab properly from the front and make sure that it's covering your chest completely. Once you have added straight hijab pins on both sides, take the remaining part of the hijab and place it over your head and secure it with a straight hijab pin. You must secure it on the side and not the back of your head. Once you're done with that, you will notice that the hijab is coming out from this area, which isn't giving a neat look. So in order to fix that, take a pin and tie or secure the hijab from the inside like this to give it a neat look. You can use a safety pin or a straight hijab pin, whichever you like. Just make sure it's not visible. And that's pretty much it. This niqab style covers your back as well, which is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked this niqab tutorial, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will be filming more niqab tutorials for you guys very soon, inshallah. There's one niqab tutorial that you all have been asking me for on my Instagram, and I will soon be sharing that with you guys as well. I just need something for it that I haven't quite gotten it yet, so I'm just waiting for that, and inshallah I'll be filming that one as well for you guys. So yeah, until then, take good care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.